You'd think if the Cats can score both here, it is game over.
You would certainly think so, that's for sure.
If Beale misses one, we're going to triple overtime. This is a season-defining moment for the Cats. The momentum is around 20. They're going to steal this one. The Perth Wildcats have pinched this. If Jackson can't nail that,
He's made it! Oh my God!
has just happened?
Got to be safe. And I tell you what, there is absolutely no guarantee we're going to get another replay and have a look at this. Did this leave before? We've got to have a look at this and see, did it go before the shot clock went off?
The referees are over with me now. I'm just going to review this.
Ball had gone.
And we need to have another look at that. It wasn't quite close enough. What has just happened to Perth Arena?
Wow. Let's just see what has happened. We're going to have to wait and see.
We have 12,500 eyes on our commentary screen right now.
Well,
we're just waiting for confirmation. It looks like this one is game over.
I think so. Here we go. It's definitely gone. Shot clock's now at 0 while it's in the air.
The referees would like another view.
We'll try and have one more look if we can see it when it's actually left his hand. That's the most difficult part.
Can we split screen it?
And if we don't get it, if we've got no result because we can't get this thing, it's got to count. They called it as a count.
We're going to have a look now. I don't know if we have a review. We cannot see.
And it was 0. It had left his hand, but we don't know when it had gone to 0.
There's no way to
0
confirm
now.
It's going to count.
They're going to count it. They're counting it.
Over. Perth Arena. The New Zealand Breakers. Wow. Just waiting for official confirmation. The referees are leaving the floor. It is a game, set, match, Perth Arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the New Zealand Breakers might get a win tonight, but the winner is basketball. Wow. I called them 2.5 seconds too early. I thought the Wildcats had this. But Cedric Jackson